Welcome back to AI Life Mastery, where we show you how to harness the power of AI to transform your life and boost your income. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting ways to make money using AI, content creation. If you're ready to learn how AI can help you create amazing content and generate income, keep watching. Let's break down 5 powerful ways AI can help you create content and turn your creativity into cash. Stay tuned to discover how each method can boost your productivity and income, and remember to subscribe to AI Life Mastery for more tips. First up, blogging. AI writing assistants like Jasper can help you craft engaging blog posts in minutes. Here's how you can do it. Choose a niche. Pick a topic you're passionate about and that has a good audience. Use AI for content. Use Jasper to generate blog posts, ensuring they're SEO optimized. Monetize your blog. Integrate ads, affiliate links, or offer sponsored posts to make money. By automating the writing process, you can produce more content faster and focus on growing your audience and income. Imagine the possibilities when you let AI handle the heavy lifting. Next, let's talk about video creation. Tools like Pictory can turn your blog posts into engaging videos. Here's your step-by-step guide. Script your video. Use your AI-generated blog posts as scripts. Create videos. Use Pictory to convert text into videos with voiceovers and visuals. Monetize on YouTube. Post your videos on YouTube, enabling ads and seeking sponsorship deals. This approach helps you reach a wider audience and adds another revenue stream. Keep watching to learn more ways to maximize your content creation. Social media is a goldmine for content creators. With AI tools like Canva, you can create eye-catching graphics and posts, plan your content, decide on a content calendar focusing on trending topics. Design with AI. Use Canvas templates and AI design suggestions to create posts. Monetize. Offer social media management services or promote products as an influencer. AI makes it easy to keep your social media feeds fresh and engaging, attracting more followers and opportunities. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights. Podcasts are booming, and AI can help you launch and manage one. Here's how. Record your episodes. Talk about topics you're passionate about. Edit with AI. Use Descript to transcribe, edit, and enhance your audio. Monetize. Get sponsorships, offer premium content, or join podcast networks. AI simplifies the technical side, allowing you to focus on content and audience growth. Keep watching to find out how to publish your own ebooks with AI. Finally, ebooks and digital products are excellent income sources. Here's how AI can help. Outline your book. Use AI tools like Scrivener to plan and write your ebook. Design and format. Use AI-powered design tools to create professional-looking products. Sell online. Market your ebooks on platforms like Amazon Kindle or your own website. AI streamlines the creation process, letting you publish high-quality digital products quickly. Subscribe to AI Life Mastery for more tips on leveraging AI. To recap, AI can revolutionize your content creation process, helping you blog, create videos, manage social media, produce podcasts, and publish ebooks. By leveraging these tools, you can increase your productivity, reach, and income. Ready to get started? Try out these AI tools and start creating amazing content today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to AI Life Mastery for more tips on using AI to enhance your life and career. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.